Hey guys, let's go fishing. Oh crap! Did the weather forget that this is Florida and we don't have snow? I guess I'm gonna have to do something other than fishing today. And since the wife's working from home, she said I can't practice throat singing, so I guess we'll do some laundry. At least it involves fishing somewhat. Fishing shirts. That's right, gang. Today we're going to be doing some laundry. I know that it's not fishing content. It's not home repair, really. It's not anything that I normally do. But this is a show about my life. This is a live channel, and we are snowed in. And, I mean, it snowed all the way down into the Gulf of Mexico. We had a foot of snow at my house. All the bridges and roads are shut down. It is illegal to travel. People are having to stay in their businesses and live there and work there. It is nuts. But with that said, if you live in the South, especially down in Florida, these shirts, these are fishing shirts. You can get them very affordably at like Sam's, Walmart, places of that nature. They are the #1 shirt for men to wear. And the reason why is that not only are they great for fishing, but they provide ventilation. They have little ventilation vents in the back, and they offer UV protection. They come in colors and patterns that make them look like dress casual shirts, so you can use them for business. It just, all around, it is a good shirt to wear. Now, lately I've been wearing more Fioboc. Fioboc is designed to wick the moisture out. These shirts do not. But all in all, most people wear these. And in Florida, if you're not wearing antiperspirant, not deodorant, antiperspirant, you're messing up. And the problem with antiperspirant is that it's so thick and gummy and gooey when it gets hot, it impregnates in the fibers of your shirt. So when you get out into 105, 110, 120 degree real field temperatures and it heats up and you're sweating, it gets all in them fibers and it creates pit stains. And then most people throw away a shirt that might be $40, $50, $60, $80 and go get another one. And I thought, well, if you can get 2 or 3 years use out of a shirt, that's money saved. So I figured I'd show you how to do this. Stay tuned. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is use some Goo Gone. Goo Gone is a goo and adhesive remover. And you can actually use it for clothing. It says it right here. So it actually says it's safe for clothing. And then when you look at the directions, talks about testing it for clothing, blot, use a white cloth, and launder separately. Deodorant stains are the pits. First thing you want to do is just turn it inside out. Now we'll spray it with our Goo Gone. I've allowed our shirt to soak overnight with the Goo Gone just to give it the best opportunity to get that stuff out. Now I've got a solution of Dawn and water. A little bit more water than Dawn, but not much. And I am spraying this to get it nice and wet in the areas that I wish to scrub. And the reason for this is that I'm going to need the water and also the soap or surfactants for the next ingredient. Now will come with some 20 Mule Team Borax, and add this on. And then I've got a scrubbing brush, and we'll just spray as we need and scrub. Also work it in with your hands. Alright, we're going to take these, wash them heavy, high spin, hot, do extra rinse, extra spin. Alright, they go in here, close the door. Now we're going to start it. As you can tell, I did multiple shirts. This is just one of them that I did, and this actually had huge deodorant stains, pet stains. Nothing there at all. And then I won't show all of them that I did, but we'll show the green one since that's one we started this video off with. Alright guys, so here we go. As you can look and see. Oops. Yeah, you can look and see right here. Nothing. Compared with what it was beforehand, daylight and dark difference, I'll get another year or 2 years out of this at least. I love to save $1 any way I can. This is a way that you can definitely keep your clothes lasting longer. So if you've done something like this, please let me know. If you have any other tips or tricks on how to keep your clothing lasting longer, getting out stains, things of that nature, please put them in the comments section. I love to hear from y'all. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yeah, it's a topic that's kind of gross. Yes, it's a topic that I normally don't cover. Yes. But I think it's a necessary video for people that fish, that wear these shirts, that you live in Florida in general, and you're trying to figure out how to deal with the damage that the heat and your antiperspirant is doing to your clothing. So I thought, well, we'll do this video. It's a one-off, but hopefully you got something out of it. It was informative, entertaining, and you be able to use it. That's the main reason. I want you to be able to use it. With that said, I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe to this video and to my channel. It really does help out. As soon as it thaws, we'll get some fishing content out. I've got some home repairs that we're about to do. I might take some videos of that. We're redoing my shower. We already redid the roof. We'll be doing redoing the bathroom, and then we'll be redoing the kitchen. So also check out my feather paintings with Ken Johnson channel, and also my cooking with Ken channel. And with that, I'll see you again next time. Bye. This right here is Northwest Florida, and I don't think we're going fishing today. Yeah, this is not something you're used to seeing every day here in Florida. I mean, I'm just not really used to snow, period. And this right here is the road itself. It's iced over. We don't have snow plows, so I'm not going anywhere for a while. But fishing content will be coming out soon, so just as soon as this melts down, we'll get to it. Freaking nuts. Why does anybody like this stuff?
Let's go get him. He's bullcat, Papa. You want down? I'm gonna put you down. Oh, nothing. I'm holding the scarf. It's just gotta go on top. High five him. High five. Yeah. Y'all are you guys there?